Hey, Nutrinook family! Today I am excited to share something truly special with you, an ancient home remedy that has been passed down through generations. If you are struggling with nighttime coughs, respiratory issues, or that stubborn mucus that just would not go away, this video is going to be a game changer for you. What if I told you that the solution to your respiratory problems might be sitting right in your kitchen? That is right, we are talking about onions, but not in the way you might expect. The science behind onions, let us dive into what makes onions such powerful natural healers. 1. Nutritional Powerhouse. First, let us understand what is inside these incredible vegetables. Rich in vitamin C and B vitamins, high in folate and potassium, packed with manganese, loaded with unique antioxidants. 2. Key therapeutic properties. Here is where it gets fascinating. Onions contain quercetin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound, sulfur compounds, natural detoxifiers, thiosulfonates, natural decongestants, antimicrobial compounds, nature's bacteria fighters. How onions work their magic. The respiratory benefits of onions work through multiple pathways. They reduce inflammation in your respiratory tract, break down thick mucus, open up airways naturally, combat harmful bacteria and viruses, enhance your body's natural immune response. The nighttime onion remedy. Here's what you will need. 1 medium-sized fresh onion, 2 plastic bags, a pair of socks, a sharp knife, step-by-step instructions. 1. Slice your onion into thin rings. 2. Divide the slices equally into 2 portions. 3. Place each portion in a separate plastic bag. 4. Position the bags under your feet. Important, onions must be under the soles. 5. Secure the bags around your ankles. 6. Put on socks over the bags. 7. Leave overnight while you sleep. Important tips, make sure the onion slices contact the soles of your feet directly. The large sweat glands in your feet will help absorb the beneficial compounds. Always use fresh onions for maximum effectiveness. Clean your feet thoroughly in the morning. The reason this works so well is that your feet have some of the largest pores in your body. The natural compounds in onions can enter through these pores and work systemically to reduce inflammation, break down mucus, open airways, support your immune system. This remedy is natural and non-invasive, safe for most people, cost-effective, easy to implement. If you have tried conventional methods without success, give this natural remedy a try. Many in our Nutrinook community have reported significant improvement in their symptoms. Have you tried using onions for respiratory relief before? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this information helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more natural health solutions from Nutrinook. Remember, nature often provides the gentlest yet most effective solutions to our health concerns. Stay healthy, stay natural, and I will see you in the next video.